Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this lecture, we will discuss the pathology past papers of DPT 6th semester, the most commonly questions that are asked in the pathology. The first question is define asthma. What is asthma along with its morphology, and define pleural effusion and its causes. The second question is define rheumatoid arthritis. It is the autoimmune disease. And what is the pathogenesis of RA? What is gout and pathogenesis of the gout? In this, uric acid become increased. The question number 3 defines spina bifida occulta and meningocele, myelomeningocele. These are the types of spina bifida. It is the inherited congenital condition. And what is kyphoscoliosis? It is the postural disorder. What is the squamous cell carcinoma? It is the cancer condition. And what are most important sites of squamous cell carcinoma in skin? Briefly describe its pathogenesis, what is the pathological process in this disease, and the management. The question number 5 briefly describe torticollis. It's also known as Reinach Erb's palsy. In this condition, there is a policeman hand tips, and the osteogenesis imperfecta. It is also a congenital condition, and the scoliosis. These are the questions that are commonly asked in the pathology. I definitely sure that you like this video. Thank you.